this is Brittany down at Subaru Puyallup, part of your internet sales team here. Just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to install a front-facing booster seat in the 2022 Outback. Okay, so we have our front-facing booster seat right here. There is going to be 2 tether points for this one. We do have the lap belt right here, which we're going to take the seat belt, feed it through right here, and then going to go ahead and click it in. Go ahead and pull it tight. So that's going to be 1 tether point. We are going to go ahead and showcase the second one. Okay, so the second point is going to be the tether point right here. All you do is take this that is in the back of the car seat, you click it, then you're going to pull it tight, feed it back through up here, and that is going to be your second point to secure the front-facing booster seat. That is going to be how you install a front-facing booster seat in the 2022 Outback. If you have any question at all, visit us at 720 River Road or SubaruPuyallup.com.